imagine what the world will be like in 20 years from now. Our lives are made up of choices. We choose every day. Those decisions affect us now and our future selves. There's plenty of bad news. However, thanks to real progress, a less apocalyptic future is being shaped. Emerging technologies are playing a vital role in fighting climate change, cutting carbon emissions, and mitigating the impact on our planet. Hub Azul is a scientific and technological platform that aims to foster innovation and offer alternative solutions. By engaging relevant actors, we will raise awareness, support the development of new technologies, and create the conditions for accelerating sustainable and friendly transitions. Join this tide of change. Stay tuned.